Hello, everyone. It is Adelola Sheralynn, your divorce lawyer, here to help you turn fear into power when happily ever after fades away. So today we're going to talk about the concept of uncontested divorce versus contested divorce. Sometimes I have people come into my office and say to me, I am in an uncontested divorce. I know that the divorce will be uncontested. An uncontested divorce means that we have an agreement on everything. And so I follow up and saying, okay, so do you have an agreement? And invariably, my new client says, well, no, not yet, but I know that we'll get there. Technically, that is not an uncontested divorce. That is a divorce that you retain me for in anticipation of having it be uncontested. And a lot of those situations pan out. Actually, I would say probably 55 to 60% of divorces that you have a real gut feeling about will be uncontested do pan out. However, sometimes someone will, talk to me about the personality of the other person or some of the disagreements that they're having. And using my experience and my gut for judging people's personalities and what their proclivities might be, I can say to the person, we'll start this out as uncontested, but I'm not sure. Something about what you're describing to me about your spouse indicates that they're going to disagree here or that they're going to disagree there. And unfortunately, or fortunately, usually my gut is correct on those situations. So an uncontested divorce occurs when we have an agreement on all of the terms: child support, spousal support, the pension, what's going to happen to the house, when the house is going to get sold, if it's going to get sold. And a contested divorce is one where you don't have any agreement upon most things, and where you can't bridge the gap to come to an agreement. And we know we're definitely going to end up in court. Okay. Can an uncontested divorce turn into a contested divorce? Yes, where you don't have any agreement. Can a contested divorce turn into an uncontested divorce? Well, that's a little bit more tricky of an answer, because once you're in court, you really can't take the case out of court necessarily without the permission of a judge. But an uncontested divorce can still come about in a contested process by you getting to an agreement with your spouse, and us deciding, look, this is the best way for you to resolve your case. You draft, or you have your attorney draft, what we call a stipulation of settlement in New York, or a matrimonial settlement agreement in New Jersey. You go before the judge and you say, Judge, this is our agreement. This is what we want to abide by, and this is how we want to settle our divorce. So I hope that this video has given you a few answers on what is an uncontested divorce versus what is a contested divorce. If you like the video, please click like. If you think that you know somebody who may be able to benefit from this information, please click share. Thanks for watching.